Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Silicone Strap-On. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Silicone Strap-On itself. Now you can give the intimate sessions with your partner a twist with this strap-on harness and dildo. There are 3 adjustable straps, so you can adjust it to your size, and you can have a maximum hip circumference of 110 centimeters with this silicone strap-on. It's a compact size, so it's perfect for beginners, and the dildo here is ribbed for extra stimulation, also slightly flexible, and is made of a soft, smooth silicone, so it'll feel really nice and soft and comfortable during use. So a fantastic beginner's strap-on harness. Now, when using this silicone strap-on, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant with the dildo for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Teazers Silicone Strap-On. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.